皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to Talk in Japan Live Stream。私は Talk in Japan のアマンダです。今日から毎週月曜日に日本語単語のライブを配信します。Starting from today, I will be live streaming every Monday to share Japanese vocabulary with you. Japanese vocabulary 日本語単語 We may learn many things from Japanese textbook, but sometimes there are many words of our daily lives that the textbook didn't cover. There are many items in our daily life that we use, but we don't know how to say that in Japanese. For example, do you know how to say hole puncher in Japanese? Or do you know how to say this in Japanese? If you know, please let me know in the comment. So if you are the Japanese beginner learner, this live session is specially made for you. This live will help you to expand your Japanese word bank. Do you have an experience that you would like to say or like to ask for something in Japanese, but you don't know how to say in the word or vocabulary in Japanese? As a language learner, I face this problem too. Sometimes I want to ask, do you have blah blah blah? I know 何々ありますか? 何々ありますか in Japanese, but I don't know the name, the object name in Japanese. So I end up using the body language to convey my message. Knowing how to say things in Japanese would definitely make communication much easier. So if you have the similar experience, please let me know in the comment. If you know the vocabulary word in Japanese, it can make it easier for you to communicate with Japanese speakers. So today, our title is stationery. How do you say stationery in Japanese? Oh, we have some exciting news for you. We create a free PDF file for you to download. You can easily access it from the link below. Just click the link, download the PDF file. If you are the beginner learner, Japanese learner, this video perfect for you. We aim to help you improve your Japanese skill. So today's title is stationery. So I will be using simple Japanese to help you to improve your listening skill. So let's get started. Stationery. 文房具文房具文房具 pencil 鉛筆鉛筆鉛筆 pencil sharpener 鉛筆削り鉛筆削り鉛筆削り ballpoint pen ボールペンボールペンボールペン mechanical pencil sharpen 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 mechanical pencil lead sharpening 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 highlighter Keiko pen Keiko pen Keiko pen permanent marker Yusei pen Yusei pen Yusei pen color pencil 色鉛筆色鉛筆色鉛筆色 which means color 鉛筆 pencil 色鉛筆 compass 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 correction pen 修正ペン修正ペン修正ペン correction tape 修正テープ修正テープ修正テープ eraser 消しゴム消しゴム消しゴム ruler 定規定規 定規 protractor 分動器分動器分動器 pencil case 筆箱筆箱筆箱 clear file folder クリアファイルクリアファイルクリアファイル sticky note 風船風船風船 bookmark しおりしおりしおり notebook ノートノートノートメモブック手帳手帳手帳 copy paper コピー用紙コピー用紙コピー用紙 paper 紙紙紙 color paper 色紙色紙色紙色 which mean color 紙 paper 色紙 drawing paper 画用紙画用紙画用紙 scissors ハサミハサミハサミ cutter カッタカッタカッタカッタ pen 絵の具絵の具絵の具 pen brush 絵筆絵筆絵筆 writing brush 筆筆筆 glue のりのりのり adhesive 接着剤接着剤接着剤 Scotch tape セロハンテープセロハンテープセロハンテープ masking tape マスキングテープマスキングテープマスキングテープ tuck tape ガムテープガムテープガムテープ double side tape 両面テープ両面テープ両面テープ stapler ホッチキスホッチキスホッチキス staplers ホッチキスの芯ホッチキスの芯ホッチキスの芯 envelope 封筒封筒封筒 postage stamp 切手切手切手 paper clip クリップクリップクリップ push pin 画鋲画鋲画鋲 hole punch 穴あけパンチ穴あけパンチ穴あけパンチ calculator 電卓電卓電卓 table calendar 卓上カレンダー卓上カレンダー卓上カレンダー whiteboard ホワイトボードホワイトボードホワイトボード blackboard 黒板黒板 黒板お疲れ様です。はい、いかがでしたか？ So did you find it helpful? If you found this helpful, please share and subscribe お願いします or please give me a like button please. So the list above content of Japanese stationery items I have gathered so far. So if you think there are many stationery missing, please let me know in the comment box below. So if you want to review these topics again or this video again, please watch our live section again and again in our channel. So we prepare a free PDF file for you to download. So if you want to review or study today's topics again, so you can easily access the link below. Simply click the link to below and simply click the link to download the PDF file. And our next topic will be furniture and home appliance. はい、それでは見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは See you in the next live stream.